At Dynapar, our speed and position sensors have proven themselves in the toughest conditions on Earth. Many types of aircraft in service across the globe use us in mission-critical applications, where extreme heat, bitter cold, and intense G-forces are just another day at the office. Global drilling companies trust us to deliver precise speed and position data in hazardous locations while battling the worst of contaminants. Mills moving hot steel look to us to keep their quality high and their production levels up. Now we've brought all this hard-earned toughness and world-class experience to bear in changing the game in off-highway speed and position sensors. Want to know more? Call us right now at 800-873-8731. Or write us right now at custserv@dynapar.com. Or visit us by clicking on the link below or pointing your browser to www.dynapar.com/gamechanger. Tough, game-changing, off-highway speed and position sensors. Only from Dynapar.